This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.